If you're streaming on Poppo Live and buying coins with real money, stop. I'm going to show you 8 legit ways to get free coins, starting right now. No hacks, no scams. These are built into the app. Let's take a ride. First, open your Poppo Live app and log in. Head to your profile, tap rewards, then daily tasks. These are simple. Stream for a certain time, send a gift, or watch a few minutes. Complete them and you get free coins every single day. Don't skip this, it's free money. Number 2, the treasure box. Join any live stream. Look at the top of screen. There's a small chest icon with a countdown. When it hits 0, you need to tap it. You'll get around 40 coins, sometimes 5, depending on how active you've been on the app. You can do this multiple times a day on different streams until the box disappears. Okay. Number 3 is super easy. When someone starts a private conversation with you, even just saying hi, you earn 10 coins a new conversation. So be friendly, reply to messages, and those coins add up. Number 4, join any party. When someone sends a gift to the host whose seat you are in, you get a share of the points. These points convert to coins. The more active the party, the more you earn. Number 5, play games inside the app. Poppo Live has built-in mini games, win rounds and earn coins. I have a separate video showing exactly how to find and play these games. The link is in the description or at the end of the card. So all you have to do is reach out to the description and click that link, and you'll be able to watch the video on how to play the games. Number 6, fireworks. During special events, Poppo Live runs fireworks shows. All you have to do is you join them, you tap the screen, and you get free coins. These happen randomly, so turn on notifications so you don't miss them. Comment fireworks below if you want me to make a dedicated video on this. Then number 7, some people call it gambling, but Poppo calls it the lucky gift. Go to any live stream, tap the gift icon at the bottom right, then tap the lucky tab. Select a gift, even a cheap one, and send it. There's a chance you will win back more coins than you spent. It's risky, but if you're feeling lucky, it can pay off. Number 8, platform rewards. Poppo gives you points for things like logging in daily, watching ads, or referring friends. Go to your profile, click rewards, and look for your points balance. You can exchange those points directly for coins. This is the most consistent method. Check it every day. Last but not the least, the bonus which is given to you under what we call the referral program. When you invite your friend to join Poppo Live using your code, when they sign up and start streaming, you get a one-time coin bonus, sometimes hundreds of coins. You share your link on social media or with other streamers. You simply do that and you will be reimbursed. Let's quickly do a recapitulation of what you have to do for you to earn coins. Number 1, daily tasks. Number 2, treasure box. Then number 3, texting rewards. Number 4, party seats. Then number 5, playing games. Number 6, fireworks. And number 7, lucky gifts. Number 8, platform rewards. Which one worked best for you? Comment the number below, and if you want me to make a deep dive video on any of these, like how to win at lucky gifts, let me know. Thanks for watching. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more Poppo Live tips and check out my playlist. for how to stream and earn real money on Poppo. See you in the next one.